Hello dear students, today we are going to do the further part of revision 2, page number 66. So let's begin. Question number G. Complete the sentence with the correct possessive pronoun or possessive adjective. Okay. Here first one is already given for you. I know that boy but I don't know his name. Here we are going to use possessive pronoun or possessive adjective. Okay. He gave me his address and I gave him mine. Third, the children are playing with their friends. Fourth, I like Mala's jeans. They are newer than mine. Fifth, this is Aman's book. It is neater than mine. Sixth, is this yours? I found it near your desk. Seventh, that's not Sarah's bag. It is green. Number 8, my key is in my bag. I think this one is yours. Then dear students, we are going to do match the column. Here I have put the number. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Or in this way also you can do by numbering the match the columns. Okay, by numbering the columns. See, she racked her brain. First one is this one, C. Okay, in this way you can match it. She racked her brains and finally remembered his name. Then second one, a lot of people say that shopping isn't their cup of tea. Okay. Then next, third one, the children laughed their heads off. See, second one we are going to match from here. See, second one is A. Okay. Then third one, the children laughed their heads off. Number 3, at their teacher's joke. We all got full marks. It will be B. We all got full marks and made the teacher's day. So dear students, in this way you are going to match the column. Okay, do the match the column. Then question number I, complete the synonyms. Okay, complete the synonyms means same meaning words. Okay, the word which is given here, this will be the same meaning. Okay, same meaning, word meaning it will be. Then difficult, see, little means small, difficult means tough or hard. Neat means clean or tidy. Okay, neat or tidy we say na. Then number 4, silent means be quiet, so quiet. Wealthy means rich person, rich or being rich or rich person. Then generous means being kind, so kind. Okay, wealthy means rich. Then next question number J, write antonyms. Antonyms means opposite words. Dear student, you have to remember these things, that antonyms means opposite words and synonyms means same words. Okay, similar meaning will be similar, same. Question number first, good, bad, these are the opposite words. Antonyms means opposite words. Wet, dry, long, short, shallow, deep, old, young, hard, soft, rude, it will be polite. Okay, I am writing it now, polite, you have to write it. Then expensive, cheap. Expensive means महंगा, cheap means सस्ता. Okay, then next question, write these dates in full. Here some dates are given, we are going to write in alphabets. No, it is given in numbers, numericals, we are going to write in words. Okay, so the 4th of July, 21st February, 21 February, 21st February, we will write the 21st of February. Third one, the 19th of June, the 2nd of October, the 12th of November, the 13th of May, the 5th of August, then the 29th of April. So in this way we are going to fill these blanks by writing it in words. Then next, question number L, complete each sentence using the correct form of the adjective in brackets. See here in the bracket some adjectives are given. By using this we have to write it in, see, by using the correct form of adjective we have to write it by using it and making it, see, if it is comparative degree, if something is compared, like in second question it is given the air in the village is dash then the air in the city, means then the air in the city, means it is comparing with the villages are compared with the cities, means air of the village is compared with the air of the city. So it will be comparative degree. ER, comparative degree means ER we are going to use here. So clean, cleaner. Okay, clean, cleaner. For comparative degree we used ER, so it will be cleaner. The air in the villages is cleaner than the air in the city. Then third question, we all want to be the best student in the class. See, good. We all want to be the best student in the class, means सबसे अच्छा student हमें बनना है, best. Good, better, best. Okay, what is the degree, comparative degree and superlative of good? It is good, better and best. So it will be best here. The streets in the city are busier than the streets. See here, than means here comparative degree is used. We will use the comparative degree. Busy is given. We will write here busier. The streets in the city are busier than the streets in the town. So here they are comparing of streets in the city and streets in the town. So it will be comparative degree used here. Okay. Then India is a hotter country than the United Kingdom. Hot, hotter, hottest. Okay. So they are comparing, than means they are comparing India's hotness with United Kingdom. Okay. So it will be hotter. ER will be used, comparative degree. This prize is for the funniest poem. Funny, funniest. Okay. Cricket is probably more dangerous than tennis. Dangerous, more dangerous. Okay, see, than is used, so it means comparative degree. And if than is not used, it will be superlative degree, means सबसे ज़्यादा बड़ा. Funny, funnier, funniest, superlative degree. Okay, cricket is probably more dangerous than the tennis. Then number 8, what is the most famous building in the world? Famous, most famous. Okay, here superlative degree is given. Famous, more famous, most famous. Okay, so in this way we have to complete the exercise of English grammar. This is the revision second part. Okay, so we have to write it. You all have to write it in your books and you also have to learn it. Okay, dear students, thank you.